We'll guide you through how to add sample packs in FL Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
The first thing that you need to do is enable your browser. So just click on this folder icon to enable the browser just like so. And once that you have done that, we need to download our sample pack. For this tutorial, I'll be using a free sample pack from Cymatics. To download it, just go to the Cymatics page or just go to Cymatics in any browser and create your free license or account first, because without that you won't be able to access free download. And once that you have signed up and logged in, you can just go ahead and download any free sample pack that you like. So let's say I want to download this particular pack, so I'll just click on free download. And once that the download is complete, we can just go to the file location just like so and just create a folder for it. So I'll just go to any folder and create a new folder for it. So I'm just gonna name it something like GuideRealm and hit enter. So after creating your folder, just go inside your folder and just copy the address from the address bar by pressing Ctrl C, and just go to the downloads and choose to extract your file. Just click on your file and choose to extract all and delete the pre-existing path and paste your path here and click on extract. Just wait for the extraction to complete and you will see now we have successfully extracted it. Now just go to FL Studio and at the top just go to options. From here choose the option labeled as file settings, and from here just click on the empty folder just like so and navigate to the folder where we downloaded. So in my case it's going to be this particular folder. So I'll just select my folder and click on select folder just like so. And once that you have done that, it will successfully be added. So now we can just go ahead and close this window and we can search it in our browser. So we will just look for GuideRealm and here it is. So when I click on it, you will see a folder, and when I click inside the folder, there are drum loops, one shot and whatever there is in the sample. So I'll just click on it and you will see different files that we downloaded. And that's it. Your sample pack is now fully added and ready to use in FL Studio. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.